In a world where ads are more eye-catching than ever, are we forgetting the real goal of advertising? It's time to rethink our priorities. In the digital age, it's easy to get swept away by stunning visuals and advertising. We all love a good-looking ad, right? But here's the catch. Sometimes, these beautiful ads are like a mirage. They grab your attention, but they don't lead you anywhere. Why? Because they focus more on looking good than on driving sales, and that's a big problem. Now, here's the twist. The most successful campaigns aren't always the prettiest. They're the ones that know their audience, convey a clear message, and have a strong call to action. It's all about balance. Yes, aesthetics draw people in, but it's the message and the call to action that turn viewers into customers. So, while crafting your next ad, remember, words are your secret weapon. Make them count.
Struggling to strike that perfect balance in your ads? No worries. Reach out to Local Click Advanced Development Solutions at 518-396-5885. Let's turn those beautiful ads into beautiful sales together. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights.